Gbogbo àwọn tó bá ń dalẹ̀ ọmọ Yorùbá nation, Ọlọ́run á padà lẹ́yìn wọn. Àmín lórúkọ Jésù. Well, my brother, my sister, you are welcome back onto this channel. Yes, a lot of things are actually going on right now. Yes, Chief Sunday Igboho remains vindicated. You know, we have said this times to that number. If you're out there, you are going against Chief Sunday Igboho on this movement, then you are on a long thing. You are undoing yourself. Yes, so right now, the so-called people who called themselves the Ominira group have now started having misunderstanding between themselves. Yes, of recent, Queen B came out and she was, insulting their leaders, and she has been of the opinion that this set of people are not gathered, they are not doing the needful, they are not doing the right thing. This is somebody who had gone against Chief Sunday Igboho before now. And look at it. Chief Sunday Igboho had been vindicated, and a lot of people are reacting in different forms. That this is exactly what we are talking about. That even Chief Sunday Igboho himself earlier said that anyone who wants to come into this struggle to destroy the movement, to scatter the movement, that such a person will never last, and we are already seeing it. Yes, with everything that has been happening, we have seen it all, that Chief Sunday Igboho had stood on the path of righteousness. Either they like it or not, majority of them had lied against him on how they sent money to him according to them without proof. We have seen all. And right now, I think this is the time we all need to wake up. Yes, because majority of people are just out there trying to distract the people. But right now, the people on their own part have even woken up. They now know that this is the right thing for them to do. They have not seen it all, that Yoruba nation is just the only way. After all the struggles, after all the things we have faced with, that's exactly what we are talking about. Yes, right now, this set of Igboho's enemy, this set of people who call themselves the Ominira group, they have started calling out themselves, quarreling themselves. That's exactly what it is. If you are not doing the right thing, it is expected to experience things like this, and exactly what we are talking about. Now, everybody is now out against them, and then Chief Sunday Igboho is being vindicated. I'm getting a lot of messages onto this one, and the majority of people are commenting in different ways. Well, according to what had been gathered, it says they will beat themselves publicly. This is just the beginning. Adabi àyàfi tí kì bá ṣe pé they are all olórí burúkú betrayers. Àwọn olè. All right. And then talking about àwọn olè, we have heard a lot of complaints from people. Majority of people have reported this set of group that all they do is to collect money from people. In fact, they do people of their hard-earned money, and in the name that they want to get Yoruba nation actualized. And then everybody has talked about it, that this set of people are not meant to to even be part of this Yoruba nation movement, because all their own aim, all their plans is to take over the nation, is to just take over and then cheat a lot of people on it. Yes, they are not actually working for the Yoruba nation movement, either we like it or not, because we've heard a lot of things where it has been gathered that this set of people, all they are into is to just embezzle money, and that's exactly what they are in for. That they are not even ready to make anything work out for the Yoruba people. Yes, though they have beefed Chief Sunday Igboho severally, that nobody has sent him, but at the end of it all, everybody gets to understand that Chief Sunday Igboho is actually the real deal, and exactly what we are talking about. That Chief Sunday Igboho is actually the main person, and then God will continue to elevate him, because a lot of them tried to bring him down, but no, when God says yes, nobody can say no. And exactly what we are actually talking about. Yeah, so, well, according to what had been gathered, somebody is of the opinion that I laugh in Japanese. Gbogbo àwọn tó bá ń dalẹ̀ ọmọ Yorùbá nation, Ọlọ́run á padà lẹ́yìn wọn, àmín lórúkọ Jésù. All right, that's another one. Well, meanwhile, someone is of the opinion that for this set of group to not come out to be insulting their leader, who is Moa Dukwe Dagboru, this is to tell you that there is God in this movement, because right now God is now turning them against themselves. Yes, that's exactly what we are talking about. God is now turning them against themselves, because God has seen it all, that this set of people, they are no betrayers. They are not for good. Like they don't have good plans for the Yoruba people. And I think it's high time everybody wakes up on this matter. We need to know who and who belongs to Yoruba Nation movement. We need to know what it is all about, getting Yoruba Nation actualized. Not that some group of people will be somewhere distracting the people. We need to know who are who, and then I think there should be an awareness. Yes, awareness needs to circulate everywhere about the real deal. Yes, right now we have known that Sunday Igboho is actually the real deal, but some set of people are still not they don't still understand where they actually belong, and exactly why this must be talked about. I think the Yoruba Nation agitators need to create a platform to educate the people where they actually belong. Because as it stands, with the way the whole thing is going, we need to know who is who. And then I love the campaign that is on ground, that nobody should play any video, promote any video that Sunday Igboho or Professor Banji Akintoye are being abused. Must not promote this group of people. And then I think a lot of people have actually started putting it in place. You don't need to promote anyone who is preaching against you Sunday Igboho. And then as it stands, it has been made clear that as far as this movement is concerned, the only solution is we going our separate ways, either they like it or not. That's exactly what the whole solution is. Let us go our separate ways, so that at the end of it all, things will be able to work out for everyone. And exactly what it is, my people. Onto this, what more can we say? Meanwhile, let me have your own take on this, and remember to subscribe for more updates if you're just joining us on this channel for the first time. All right, thanks and God bless.